Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol GEVO. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, the pullback continued on this one today, and overall, everything is still perfectly fine. And I emphasize the word overall because there is some perspective that goes into this. What do I mean by that? Well, if you're some sort of day trader, flipper, scalper, whatever you want to call yourself, and you bought right there, or you bought right there, and your plan was to buy and sell within 15 minutes. Well, from that perspective, yeah, the chart's actually looking pretty bad. However, if you care about the big picture point of view, I get it. From these highs, there has been a larger pullback. But from the grand scheme of it all, the price does still have plenty of opportunity to chip away and build a higher low. And that's how long-term uptrends are constructed. Just higher bases being put into play over extended periods of time. And that is exactly what this green line here is representing, which I've talked about previously at 395. And in fact, I mean, the power of charts, you can see that basically all day today, that's right where the price went sideways, right above that green line there. So good to see that that area is continuing to hold as support. And again, going back to that keyword of overall, from the overall standpoint, you know, it would be great if that area holds, because what would that imply? That would imply that there's a set of lows there, and then you have a set of lows there, and then you have these lows down here. And if you envision each one of those as stair steps, well, then from the overall perspective, you'd still very clearly have stair steps making progress in the upwards direction. Again, I am well aware that if you're a day trader and you bought right there, then you don't care about these stair steps. But that's why I'm really trying to emphasize that I am talking about things from the bigger picture point of view. Now, if the price does try to work its way back upwards, key area of resistance on any sort of attempted bounce back upwards going to be right there at $4.45. And then if the price could break up above $4.45, next key level after that would be right up there around $4.80. So keep your eye on those couple of battlegrounds if there is any sort of attempted turnaround. But yeah, as of now, the overall trend is still bullish, but we'll see how this one closes out the week on Friday, or excuse me, on Thursday, because remember, the markets are closed on Friday for New Year's Day. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.